Hi, this is Dan from Gear Diary. I'm taking a look today at the Shure MV88 Plus video audio microphone kit. This is a complete rig. It gives you a phenomenal microphone, 2 cables, 1 Lightning, 1 USB-C, so you can use it with your iPhone. You can also use it with the current iPad Pros. It includes a Manfrotto Pixie tripod. It includes a cold shoe mount for the microphone itself, a windscreen for the microphone, and a mount for your phone so that you can have everything together in a single kit. For $249, you buy this kit and you have everything. Add in your capture device, your phone or your tablet, and you're good to go. This is being recorded with the microphone plugged in. Now I'm going to unplug the microphone, record a little bit more so that you can get a sense of what the microphone adds to this. What you're going to notice, I suspect, is not that the audio is so much better suddenly, but that there's no echo in the way that there is. So this is with the microphone. And this is me recording without the microphone plugged in. This is just the iPhone X capturing the audio. Now I'm going to plug back the Shure MV88 Plus, and you'll hear the difference in the quality of the sound. My suspicion, again, is that you're going to hear a lot less echo. A little bit better audio in general, but a lot less echo. So now this is the microphone plugged back in. This is the Shure MV88 Plus video audio capture kit. It's $249 from Shure. We're going to be using it in a lot of videos for the site in the weeks and the months to come, but we'll have a review of the microphone kit on the site shortly. This is Dan from Gear Diary. Thanks very much for watching.